everyone, this is Heather, and I am really excited because I'm joined by a really good friend of mine who's been my good friend since like first grade. This is Carissa.
We're old.
Hi. Yeah. Because a lot of you guys have been discovering me through Postmates, and you're trying to figure out like, you know, the protocol in terms of how to file your taxes now that you are, what is it called, like an independent contractor?
Yeah, independent contractor.
Carissa's going to start with that question, and then I'm going to kind of ask her some other stuff that maybe you guys will find helpful if you want to try to be an entrepreneur yourself. So, for the Postmates people,
yeah,
me being one of them, what do I have to do come tax time?
They're going to issue you what's called a 1099, and basically any company that pays you over $600 within a 12-month span is going to issue you that form. It's basically an independent contractor. It's similar to a W-2, but for independent contractors. Chances are they're going to send you a 1099.
Okay.
But there's another way that you can file your income tax if they don't send you one, because regardless, you're getting paid a certain amount, and you've got to file that with the IRS.
Right,
so even if you don't get a 1099 from them, don't worry. What you can do is talk to your CPA or go on TurboTax or whatever it is that you use to file your taxes, and you can file what's called a Schedule C. So
that's if they don't give me the 1099.
Exactly. That's if they don't give you a 1099. You can file your own Schedule C, and you can claim all of your expenses there, claim all of your income.
What expenses should I be claiming for Postmates?
Well, your mileage and your gas.
So that I should be tracking?
Definitely. Okay. You need to either have a book or log it in on your phone, or whatever's easier for you. You need to log all of your mileage that's related to Postmates. All your receipts from gas. Get a receipt, save it. Yes. Get a receipt and save it.
Getting a receipt.
So start saving it.
But then, like, how do you, like, the full tank isn't going to Postmates.
Right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a little bit of math.
Okay, here we go.
But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your receipts and you're gonna look at your miles.
Okay.
You know on average how many miles you get on a full tank, right?
Right.
So you can calculate those miles and divide it so you know what percentage
of your tank
goes toward Postmates.
Got it.
Yeah. And then that's how you'll be able to figure out, okay, if it's 50% and I spend, I don't know, $40 on a full tank, then I know $20 of it goes toward my side gig.
Got it. Okay. And then other expenses would probably be like parking fees, like if you have to pay the meter or something.
Save those stubs.
Yeah.
Or what you can do is, if you're gonna pay the meter or something like that, get a separate bank account and just use your bank statement. That's the easiest way. If you don't want to save receipts, open up a separate bank account, even if it's a personal one, and then put all of your money in there and have your direct deposit from Postmates go into that bank account.
So that whole account is just Postmates related.
Exactly.
Yep. Especially for you guys doing Postmates like full time, or a lot of your income is coming from Postmates, I would probably recommend doing that.
Do you use your phone?
Yeah. Yes, for the app.
If you use your phone, you can deduct your phone bill because you have an app on there. You're using your data.
Yep. For GPS.
Exactly.
Like
yep. So you can use your cell phone as a deduction.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
Did you buy lunch pails or something for your car? You know, stuff like that. If you have to buy those yourself and Postmates doesn't provide those, anything that just has remotely to do with making your job easier, you can expense.
Got it.
You can.
So I got a car mount for.
There you go.
Yeah, for my cell phone.
You can write that off.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
Expense.
What about tips? Tips
count as income. The state of California, at least, counts it as income. So if you,
let's clarify that. We are in California.
Yeah. So if you're in California and you're doing Postmates, you've got to track your tips, regardless if it's cash or it's through credit card. You've got to count those, and it counts towards your income. Postmates might give you a 1099 at the end of the year, which, remember, we said is kind of like a W-2. You have to tack your tips onto that in addition.
Because some people tip through the app, which they have record of.
Yeah.
But then a lot of people do cash tips. So got it.
Yeah.
Let's see. So I think that's it for Postmates. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. in my entrepreneurial journey, there's been one go-to person who has really just made the process of becoming an entrepreneur a lot more clear. Starting a business is not easy, especially for someone who's never done it before. And Carissa is a pro.